It is time to create our Trifold cover page. Microsoft Copilot once again is going to help us leverage our design skills to really create something beautiful. First of all, we want to create a new page in Word. Now click here on Layout and let's adjust the orientation to Landscape. Now watch as Copilot really brings this page to life. Click on Home, then Copilot. In the prompt, type Insert an image of a snowy mountain. Copilot will come back with some really cool images for you to use. You can choose any image you want. Okay, so we're going to choose this image here and click Insert. Right-click the image and select Wrap Text. Now select Square. Then click Behind Text. This will allow us to move the image freely on our page. Copilot has another very helpful feature. Let's say we are not sure what to call our brochure. Just type, "Give me some good ideas for the title of my mountain brochure." Copilot will give us some really good titles we can work with. Let's use the first idea. To convert it into a title on your page, let's click over here on Insert and select Word Art here. This option looks good. Now let's type in the title that Copilot gave us. Next, we will insert a text box and use the remaining part of the title idea as a tagline. After we have typed it in, we will want to adjust it a little so that it's clear for our readers. With a title, our cover page is really starting to come together. Be sure to check out our course at burntolearn.com, where we demonstrate how Copilot transforms your Microsoft Office tools into an unparalleled productivity suite and efficiency across all your projects. When folded, the far right section will be seen when the brochure is opened. So let's head back to Copilot and get some content. Type, "Give me 30 words about amazing snowy mountains." Now we can insert this into the text box. To adjust for readability, click on Shape Format here. Choose Fill and adjust the transparency. That looks good. Now change the border to white. Nice! This middle section will become our back. We recommend you add a QR code to help our readers connect. Voila! With Copilot's help, you have a very attractive cover page for your brochure.